everyone. My name is Purnika Karki, and today I'm going to demonstrate what I have done for my web development assessment. So, in this assessment, we were asked to develop a game. So, we were given some requirements, some functionality which we have to meet to make this game. So, at the first, I'm gonna show what is there in my game right now. So it is a initial starting phase. So here is leaderboard. Here is a start button. Here is a cursor keyboard button. When it is placed when it is pressed right now, nothing happens. Before, when we were given this file, we were given JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And when we were given this file, when we used to click this button, it used to slide out of the wall. But right now, nothing is happening over here. Here is a scoreboard, which is 0 at the initial stage. And these are the lives. There are 3 lives. So when an enemy and a player collides, for the first time one life will go, and after that second life will go, and after that third life will go. So in this game I have put two special feature. One is a golden star, that is like +5 button, and the other is invincible feature. So when an enemy and a player collides, so after the player needs to revive for some time. So for 1.5 second, if enemy hit it again, it won't lose its life. So let's start. So while after clicking this button, the start button disappears and the green thing on the screen are enemy, and they move randomly, and when they hit a wall they move aside. So let's start. So when I click right, the button goes right. When I click down, it goes down. When I click up, it goes up. And it sorry, I got hit. So when I got hit again, you can see that it didn't die when it hit the enemy again. And then the score button goes down. So I was explaining to you guys and I got lost. So this is what happens. So score went 9 because I ate total 9 white points. I got hit by enemy for the 3 times, so my life is gone. And as I already told you, I have inbuilt a feature called invincible. So you have observed when enemy was hitting me, immediately after I lost a life, I revived. So after I finish the game, after the game is finished, it asks for the name to put in the leaderboard. So in leaderboard, only top 5. So this is what I have played to know what was wrong in the game. So there are total 3 levels. I have not made the random levels. I have made all 3 mages by myself because I couldn't get enough time to think about the random property. And at last I have keep a space for I have keep a space I have leave a space for if in future I want to make this a random mage for infinite levels, I can do that as well. So this is like enter name for the leaderboard. So I enter my name, Purnika, and after that if I click OK, this will come. So it's like game over, restart. So one of our functionality was once the player lose all the life, it should restart the game from the first level. So to make it more creative, more user friendly, more user interactive, I added this button saying game over and restart. And if I click on restart, it will restart again. So this is how it worked. I was showing the button. So when I do right, it goes right. When I do down, it goes down. When I do up, it goes up. And when I do left, it goes left. So I'm more comfortable with my keyboard. So look at this invincible feature. So this is +5 feature. So when I got that star, I got the score +5, and as you can see that my score is increasing as I eat this white, as the player eat this white thing on this mage. And it couldn't cross. If I click on this, it couldn't cross the wall. If I click here, only it will move. And we don't need to press key randomly. One time if I click on this, it will go directly to there, and if I click on down, it will go directly to down. So I'm going to complete this lesson. I'm going to complete this level, and after that I will show you what will happen in level 2. So I completed this level. So after I completed this level, alert will come that says level 2. So if I say Okay, so I will be guided to level 2, and you can see in level 2 the mage is more harder and there are 4 enemies. And when I in every I have put this golden +5 score button on on every level, and invincible is also there for every level. So there are 4 enemies, and when it hits one another, so in this game, if I lose a life, you can see that my life is decreased. An invincible feature is working pretty well over here. It flickers. See? Now I can't go there. So in this level is harder and smaller as compared. So after I lose, you can see that only after completing level 1 and after completion of level 2 it asks for a username. So now I can update my leaderboard. I can say Purnika now. Okay. And it again says game over, restart. I'm again guided to the first one. So this is how my game work. This is the collision between the player and enemy is there. The functionality, all the functionality requirements that were given in our assignment is there. As you have already observed the leaderboard, this is the leaderboard. There are top 5 according to descending level. The scores over here, it gets updated as you can see. And this button, all of the buttons work really well. And when I hit an enemy, a life decreases. So this is all what that is about my game. So as you again see, the invincible feature is also working really well. I hit the enemy, see, it didn't die. So when it's flickering, it won't die. That's the invincible feature. See, I can cross, I can go across that. So that is the invincible feature. So this is what I have done for my web assignment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.